I just inserted it in here. Okay.
I guess.
Does it go this way?
Hey.
Good. We're done.
Done?
We're done. Porsche 996 twin turbo is ready for battle. We replaced a $700 power steering hose. Took one drive in it, and then the starter broke in half. And by that I mean like the backside where the power cable goes just broke. You know, 20-plus-year-old Porsche problems. What are you gonna do?
Fix them.
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, now it can actually start again. So that's a plus, and the Miata wants a piece of this. It really does.
Well, let's get it off the lift then.
Let's get it off the lift and send it. See what happens.
Forgot how smooth this car is.
Smooth pulling into Taco Bell.
Yeah, that too. I just meant like the FD is just like brutal. So when you hit the throttle, you just go back. Whereas on the Porsche, it's just the smooth, like OEM kind of feel going on.
Yeah, so Bryan pulls up and he goes, "What's the retail on one of those?" You know, and he goes, "Warren, you can afford pound Ferrari." And it revs and goes, "Ferrari, Ferrari."
We might have to go watch.
Oh, I'll tell you right now. Goodness gracious!
What year's the 996 Turbo? It's 2001. Yeah.
Good looking.
Thank you.
Like the wheels.
Appreciate it.
This is when you know you got a shit box.
Did your glove box fall out?
Yeah.
And you have funnels, so
Yeah, dude. you know, let's say,
Miata life, right?
oh yeah, you know, the actual part here where it goes into the tank, and there's normally like a little valve there. And I was like, oh, that must be it. I'll just take the valve out. It's not there.
Say, well, normally what happens is. Leave and go fast.
Do you think it might have something to do with the fact that I deleted my whole evap system?
Good. I'm thinking there's something.
So what's that take your octane to?
Legitimately, this takes 93, so like 100. It raises at 80 points, which is 8 full numbers. It's just a crap ton of MMT in here. It's really no toluene. Yeah, I used to go back in the day. They won't sell toluene to you anymore, but back in the day, you could mix Marvel mystery oil and toluene, which is like 115 octane, and it would legitimately like raise your octane.
There we go, being a bracer.
And then out your exhaust, it smelled like a laboratory or something.
I'm sure, yeah, just chemicals.
Yeah. Porsche one more time. This time we're going to go from 4th gear.
Go downtown. I think that is a statue, though.
I don't know.
Do you think it has a penis?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
It's pretty important.
It does.
It does. It's a big one. It's a rather small one. It really does have a penis, though.
It did indeed have a penis.
I mean, the answer is always yes to that. Somebody needs more burble tune. It's not shooting any flame.
Bryan Bryan's gonna race this GTI.
No, I'm not. Look at the road.
It's fine. It's just a road. Look, it's perfect. It's like repaved.
Giant pothole right there.
Just wait till you get past that and then nail it. You can give him the hit. Go.
Fight!
Thank you.
Monster kill.
Man, tore him up.
Wow, that was surprising, huh?
What happened?
We broke something.
He broke it.
Did you sense it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's the wrist
shit.
when you send it.
The good news is they're only.
Can you just break that piece off?
Probably.
Damn.
Yep. Wow, that's cool. I didn't know his car did that. Do you have anti-lag?
No?
Was that bouncing off the limiter?
Correct.
It sounded amazing.
Thank you. I don't do that very often. I figure why the hell not, you know?
That was glorious looking.
So how's it feel to get rolled up?
Pretty good. Man. I should have had the top up.
Oh, is that what we're going with this
with
time?
the windows up.
He's going with the top should have been up.
Top and windows
yeah.
up.
How's it feel to get rolled out by like almost stock car?
We both asked him the same question,
Yeah.
so